we have the forecast assumptions, which include expected President Trump policy impacts, which are outlined below. Highlights being personal and corporate tax cuts, crackdown on undocumented immigration and deportations, and the implementation of tariffs. We're looking at corporate income tax year to date. It is down net 14.2%. We had revised down based on actual corporate profits that were reported, along with statutory shift in funds diverted to IIT and the net loss deduction cap increased to $500,000.
Some of you may have been at this meeting. Crane Chicago Business held a meeting about a month and a half ago where both Speaker Welch and President Harmon were the primary guests and the primary speakers. And President Harmon said something there, and the $3 billion number had been released. And President Harmon said something there that I thought was very accurate. And he said this, he said, look, there's a $3 billion potential deficit if we do nothing. And that's not going to happen. The governor is going to recommend a balanced budget, as he did. I would imagine that Speaker Welch and President Harmon are going to put forth numbers that lead to a balanced budget. So my point is, you, the General Assembly, in cooperation with the governor, are going to take action that ensures that there is not a $3 billion deficit. We can give you a break. If you pay that tax liability, which you owe, you don't have that penalty that would automatically occur. So and again, it brings some dollars forward that hopefully we would collect later. We would anticipate collecting later, but this gives the taxpayer an inducement to pay it. And it's a benefit, yes, it's a benefit to us, but it's also a benefit to the taxpayers. Question about the tax amnesty program. If you look at slide 12, the taxpayers that have tax liabilities, the individual income tax, again, $30 billion in individual income taxes come in. And there's $59 million that might be received from individual income taxpayers under an amnesty program. If you look at the corporate, though, you're talking about $127 million. The corporations know that they have a liability. More so, I guarantee you, their tax accountants know that they have a liability, more so oftentimes than the individuals. So if we can give the corporations the opportunity to pay that tax liability, avoiding the penalty, the previous experience indicates they're going to take it.